If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to our Solana video update. And New Year's has started, and Happy New Year for 2023. I hope this one turns out to be great for you. And Solana right now, we do have Solana, and we can expect this pattern to play out if it wants to play out. So I'm just gonna dive into the 4-hour time frame right now over here. And it seems like we pretty much broke out of this pattern, coming down back again for a retest. And to me personally, this could be a good stop loss at 9.65 potentially. Even a stop at 9.73 would be good. But the thing is, what really matters is that you actually went down, came up, make this V-shaped recovery, broke out, coming down for the retest right here. And that would be awesome to try to backtest things and then continue higher. So this technical target is actually going to be from here to here. At least we're looking for a $11.17. And if you look at this pattern on a 1-hour time frame, that technical target actually takes you to $12.3. Unfortunately, there's only one way for this trade not to work, and that is thanks to Bitcoin. Okay, not Solana. Solana is pretty good on its own. You have the pattern, you have the setup. And as a matter of fact, let me tell you one case that is so solid for Solana right now, and that is, you see this pattern here on the daily, the RSI, sorry, not the pattern, the RSI on the daily is in the biggest support, like the major support where you always bounced off. Now, if I try to talk about this was your first support level where you bounced and you moved up. You had another support here, you bounced off here, you moved up, and then you had this another support right there, and then you bounced off, you moved up, and now you are at that very same place. I actually went on and pulled a trade because, I mean, isn't this like one of the best buying opportunities when you're at absolute lowest part of the RSI, especially on the daily? So you do have a little bit of a chance, okay? You do have some chance. And then again, it also becomes better when you have a pattern as well. So that pattern shows that there's a willingness to actually fly a little bit higher. So here we go. You're coming down like this. That's a pattern. It's not invalidated. You're potentially backtesting things right over here, which in my opinion should be a successful backtest due to how oversold you really are right now. We need a little bit of that push and relief. But don't get me wrong, we still have targets down here. We still have targets to $5 and $4.8. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Maybe in the future, I'm still looking to buy here. This doesn't work out. It's just a little bit of a risk. This one, hopefully, is going to be a long-term thing that actually plays out. You never know, finger crossed, but I'm still going to take risk. We always got to take risk. Maybe the risk that you take is going to change your life. You never know. You just got to take it. Are you guaranteed you're going to be successful? No. Are you guaranteed you're gonna fail? They're not even guaranteed you're gonna be failing this thing. Now, another thing is that weekly still shows that we're gonna drop, because the weekly, pretty much, we're gonna close the weekly in 18 hours 39 minutes, and that shows that you do have continuation pattern right there. But the first week of January, the opening, the next week, we can actually say that, hey, we kind of look for Solana to actually try to make a small relief, and that's where I'm expecting this to even move up to this $12 mark department, take out some stop losses right there, and then continue on with the drops. But you're not guaranteed that. You're still not guaranteed for that to happen, but that's normally what you can expect. And the only reason why I'm saying that is because of this pattern right here. Now you got to be careful though. The daily, it also looks like it's still another flag right over here that can potentially even try to be a bear flag and break out and continue. So many possibilities, so many scenarios. But I kind of like this thing on the 4-hour time frame more than anything else. I just want to see this as some sort of a pattern right here, because you got way more candles to judge the coin. So when you have too much candles, you judge better. We don't have too much candles on the daily, but there's a lot of candles on the daily, and they show this being as resistance there, resistance here, broke out, coming down for the retest. Now yes, There's one possibility that the daily becomes a bear flag if you're going to lose the retest and drop like this to 9.4, or even 9 when you start to come to 9.64. So you start to do something like this, that means that the only thing you did is a fake out, and then you came down and you backtest this line, and then you get rejected and go down. But it doesn't make sense considering how oversold we already are on the RSI level. So let's hope it kind of, make a trade pattern and try to move up from here. So that's pretty much it for this update on Solana right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Left.